This is another spicy chicken stir fry. I'm Tess, and tonight I will show you how I make my Mongolian chicken, a Chinese chicken stir fry that has a great balance of salty, sweet, and spicy. Stay tuned. If you like Mongolian beef, you are going to enjoy this Mongolian chicken recipe. If you missed my video recipe for Mongolian beef, I will leave a link here and also in the description box below. Since this is a stir fry, you want to have everything prepped and ready before cooking. First, the sauce, and it's real simple. This is about 1/4 cup of water, and you can use chicken broth. I'm adding some soy sauce, hoisin sauce, Chinese cooking wine, and you can use rice vinegar, brown sugar to balance it out, and finally some red pepper flakes. This is a level 1/4 teaspoon, and this will pack a good bit of heat. You can adjust your level of spicy, giving that a good stir and setting to the side. I have a little over 1 pound of cubed boneless chicken thighs. You can use chicken breasts, and also you can cut the chicken in cubes or thinly slice. I'm adding 1 egg white, a tablespoon of cornstarch, and a little salt, giving that a good mix and letting the chicken marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. You can use a skillet or wok for the stir fry, but tonight I'm using my skillet. On medium-high heat, I'm adding some oil and the chicken pieces. I'm spreading out the chicken and letting it cook for 15 to 30 seconds before turning. I'm cooking the chicken until done and then removing and setting to the side. In the same skillet on medium heat, I'm adding a little more oil, minced garlic, and ginger, cooking and stirring for 15 to 20 seconds. I love the smell of ginger and garlic together. This is totally optional, but I have some sugar peas I need to use. I thought I would toss them in for a little flavor and texture. This is 1 medium sliced onion. Onions are a big and tasty part of this Mongolian chicken stir fry. Cooking and stirring for 2 to 3 minutes or until the onions start to become tender. For more heat, these are red chilies. Cooking and stirring for 1 minute. Now I'm pouring in the sauce and giving it a stir, and then adding in the chicken and all the juices. Giving everything a toss and cooking for a minute. Finally, I'm tossing in the greens of 4 garden onions that I cut into approximately 2-inch pieces. Again, giving everything a final toss, and we are ready to eat. There should not be much sauce. Most of the sauce should be clinging to the chicken. If you do have excess sauce, you can add in a cornstarch slurry to thicken. This Mongolian chicken smells so good. The chicken is nice and tender. The onions have a nice sweetness and bite. Of course, I love the pop of the sugar peas. The sauce is a great balance of salty, sweet, and spicy. Serving tonight with some steamed jasmine rice. Topping with some chopped green onions, and you can also use some sesame seeds. While you are here, don't forget to check out my Mongolian beef video and many of my other Asian video recipes. I hope you give this Mongolian chicken dinner a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!